Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to go back to two old favorites of mine. I'm going to use these two special ingredients in a facial mask. This mask will help to brighten the skin, smooth wrinkles and fine lines. If you have dull, rough looking skin, this is perfect for you. If you have oily skin, this is amazing. And if you have dry skin, this is going to get the job done. It's going to get rid of hyperpigmentation, clear the skin of dark spots and blemishes while reducing the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. If you're looking for a homemade remedy that is going to give you a really fast result, and you're going to have your skin looking much younger, much fresher in a very short time, this combination of ingredients is just for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen. I'll show you how to make this special facial mask, and I will also show you how to use it on your skin for best result. Our first ingredient is tomato, and today I'm using a ripe plum tomato. I enjoy using tomato on my skin because it contains natural skin lightening properties that will help to brighten the skin. Not only that, it is great for oily skin. It will have to get rid of large pores. It will also help to get rid of the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin and leave the skin just smooth and bright. Now for this recipe, you're going to need a blender or a grater. Now the first thing I'm going to do with my tomato, I'm going to be chopping. I'm using just a half of a medium tomato today. Now I have a small blender, so I like to chop my tomato before I blend. So just chop it in small pieces. If you do not have a blender, at this stage you can go on and grate the tomato. So now my tomato is chopped. I'm just going to place it in my bowls. And I'm just going to set this aside and introduce my next ingredient. Now my next ingredient is aloe vera, and this is an aloe vera leaf. What I'm going to do, I'm going to extract the gel. This is another ingredient that I like to use on my face since it contains natural antibacterial properties, hydrating properties. It also contains skin lightening properties that will help to fade dark spots and blemishes. It is also good for sunburn, acne scars, and it also will help to get rid of the dead skin cells from your skin. So the first thing I'm doing is extracting the gel from the leaf, which is pretty simple. If you know what you're doing, just take the upper portion off. You can choose to cut it out, or you can simply use a spoon and just scrape it out like this. And I'm going to add this to the bowl with the tomato. So just scoop. So now here we have some tomato and some aloe vera gel, and this is an amazing combination, especially if you're looking to brighten that skin. If you have dull skin, this is amazing for the skin. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be blending both of these together. So let me just pour this in my blender. And now take a look. We're not adding any water to this. We're just going to blend this as is. So just cover and blend. So we're just going to strain our tomato and aloe vera mixture. And this is it. Here we have our tomato aloe vera mixture. Now guys, you can choose to use this directly on the skin. Keep it in your refrigerator for up to 7 days, or you can choose to use it in your homemade remedies like I'm going to be showing you today. So let's put this aside and now reach for our bowl. Now today we're going to be making a oatmeal tomato facial mask. So I'm using some oatmeal, and oatmeal is great for oily skin, great for exfoliating, great for tightening and firming the skin. Now what I'm going to do with my oatmeal, I'm going to blend it to a powder. So let's pour about a quarter cup of the oatmeal in the blender. Make sure your blender is dry. We're going to cover and we're going to blend to the powder. Now here we have our blended oatmeal. So now let's reach for our bowl. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of the oatmeal. And now we're going to reach for our tomato aloe vera mixture. We're using 2 tablespoons also. We're going to give this a stir. We're blending oatmeal, aloe vera gel, and tomato. Mix this into a nice paste. If you do not have oatmeal, you can use some flour in this recipe, regular white flour. You can also use some fuller's earth, a form of a clay. Now once this is totally blended, guys, we're going to add a final ingredient to this. And today I'm going to use some grapeseed oil. Use oil of choice. And all I need is about a quarter of a teaspoon, just a little dabble of the grapeseed oil. You don't need a lot in this recipe. And that's going to help to moisture and hydrate the skin. So if you have dry skin, this is not going to dry your skin out. So you're getting moisturizer from the aloe vera gel and a little bit of grapeseed oil. And if you have oily skin, the grapeseed oil is one of the better oil to use on oily skin. So now guys, our facial mask is ready. And I'm going to go on the other side and I'm going to show you how to use this on your skin. So I like to just stir this before I apply it on my skin. Give it a little stir. You can use a spatula to apply it, or you can just use your hands. I'm just going to put it on my face like this. And I'm actually going to make a thick layer on my skin. However, before I layer it, I like to just rub it on my skin like I'm exfoliating my skin with it. It's like just using a facial mask to give your skin double duty. So just exfoliate your skin for about a minute or so while applying the mask on the skin. Well, you know, the oatmeal is amazing for the skin, guys. Now once this is done, then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to be generous, and then I'm just going to smooth it on my skin like this. Smooth it. Don't forget the neck. Smooth it on the skin. Don't let this one get in your eyes, guys. But you could go as close as possible under the eyes, especially if you have dark under the eyes. A lot of pores, large pores on the nose, cover it up. Now once this is done, you're going to sit with this on your skin for about 30 minutes. What is going to happen? It's going to dry on the skin. So about 30 minutes, and then you're going to rinse off, preferably with some cold water. You pat dry the skin, apply your favorite skincare products, and you're good to go. 2 to 3 times a week, I use this up. However, with the ingredients that I use in this, it's safe to use on the skin every day. If you're in a hurry and you don't want to wait 30 minutes, you just exfoliate the skin like I just showed you. Leave it on for about 5 minutes and rinse off. Amazing, guys, amazing. When it's finished, make a new batch and start it all over again. So there you have it. I told you, I really and truly love this combination. And guys, you can actually make this your own. You can use some rice with it. You can use some fuller's earth with it. You can even choose to use some charcoal with this mixture. Just mix it up, 2 tablespoons with at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of whatever dry ingredient you're using. Use it on your skin and you're on your way to beautiful looking skin. If you have acne prone skin, guys, you can just choose to add a little bit of a tea tree oil to the aloe vera and the tomato mixture and use it on your skin. You can even choose to add some milk to the aloe vera and tomato mixture and use it on your skin. Just give it a go because you have a wide variety of ingredients to choose from that works very well with the aloe and the tomato. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.